What else is new? We've been invited to join an app called Pocket Coach. So they have loads of coaches from loads of different sports, and then you can like upload videos, and it's almost like a course you can create and then put on there. So we might do some filming for that today. We're going to see what happens, see how busy it is, because I need a space where I can show some bits and talk without sort of annoying anyone else. So I can't really do it on the magic carpet, but maybe I can find a place out on the mountain somewhere that I can chill with and do whatever. So we might do some filming for that, and then I guess we will see if we can ride our main truck without getting tow drag, which is not a thing I'm looking forward to. Because what I've realised is I really crank those edges when I go for it. And yeah, who knew that 3mm could be such a massive difference? And that's when everyone's like, yeah, of course it's a massive difference. But yeah, so yeah, my Capita Indoor Survival is wide, that's 26.5. And then my Capita Mercury, which has now been sold, that was 26.2 or 26.1, and then this is 25.7 or 8, I think. So yeah, interesting. But yeah, we're going to do some snowboarding and see what happens. Pardon the